how to do your water activation, you say water activation booklet. Which if you have my water activation for 2024, congratulations. Open it up and then follow me to give you more information how to actually use these stars. But if you haven't and you want to, please visit this website. Download my water activation for 2024. And don't forget to subscribe and follow. Okay, so let's bring it out. All right, so we have on a yearly basis, we have these four noble stars that we can actually activate. And they change location on a yearly basis. Now we have here the sun star, the dragon, the fortune, and the moon star. So what do they all mean? Okay, for the sun star, this is all about nobleman attraction, meaning if you need some support, if you need approval for any application that you're actually getting, if you're trying to seek recognition from the people or the noblemen around you, this is a good star to actually activate, especially if the decision making is based on, say, for instance, your success relies heavily on the behavior of other humans. Now, this is actually sun star that you want to activate. Okay. Next is dragon virtues. Like, say, for instance, you're going through a very difficult situation. It's a problem that's quite hard to solve. No. And you want this problem to be minimized so you can have the ability to solve it easily. Okay. This is basically what we have. What we use now, the dragon virtue. This is all about problem solving skills. Next is fortune virtue from the word itself. Fortune this is all about attracting wealth. Like if you're trying to look for a new job, to look for a new client, a resource that could help you increase your wealth, and basically fortune virtue is the noble star. Next is moon. This is all about communication. So if you're into sales, and at the same time you want to make sure that your communication style is something that could really influence others and influence your buyers, then basically moon star is the star. Now, how do you actually use this star? So the first thing that you're going to do is you get your compass. Stand in the middle of your home and face where the facing direction of your space is. Now, how do you know it's your facing direction? You're facing the most active road. Now, if you're living in a subdivision and your home is in the corner, just look at which road is mostly activated or used by the community in your space. Now, if you're in the building, you're just going to look where much of the highway is. Okay, if you're in a condo. Okay, so that's how you get the facing direction of your space. So you stand in the middle and get the degrees. Now, this time you're going to notice that there are numbers around around the compass. That's basically the degree that you're going to look at. So here again, the image of where the sun star, dragon, fortune, and moon star is. So what you're going to do is you're going to look with where the degrees are. Now for sun star, it's 142.6 to 157.5. Now to be safe, I would suggest to look at 143. So where is 143? So once you finally find the 143, you check where the boundary is. To be safe, let's stick to 156. Okay, so on the date that's indicated in my report, make sure that you follow the date and time, because timing is everything when it comes to Feng Shui. So within that date, make sure you place a pail of water that's probably 3 feet that could accumulate 5 gallons of water. Okay, place it there within the date and time I gave you, and then put water and then put a water pump and plug it. Make sure the water pump is working. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it, and then leave it for 2 weeks. Okay, and then on the last day of the 2 weeks, pull the plug, let it rest for like a week, and then you do it again. Pick another day. Another way of activating is lighting a candle. Lighting a candle within the sector, within the day and time as indicated in my report. Okay. Now, remember this very rule, by the way. If say you have, there's going to be a list. There's a list of dates in my report. And just make sure not to select the day that clashes with your year animal. So if you're born in the year of the pig, avoid days that has snake in it. Okay. The report has a guide, and at the same time going to give you the list of animal that clashes with each other, so you're fully guided and to avoid confusion. Okay, so that's how we activate the water activation for 2024. And do not forget to subscribe, follow. And if you have any questions, clarification, please comment in the comment box, no, and share because sharing is caring. Okay, thank you.